Hi, today I will tell you how you can fix the teleport fail error. First, press the window button and type settings and click on this option. After the window opens, then you need to click on network and internet and you will see this window. Here you need to click on change adapter options. Then in this window, first right click on your connection and click on properties and then find the internet protocol version 4 and double click on it and then this window will open. From here click on this option and write down preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server like this and click OK, and that's all. After it your error should be solved. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, because in future I will bring more exciting videos for you and I'm also going to build some software products. So yes, bye.